how-tos.
We're gonna talk about how to use a beauty blender. Beauty blenders are super popular right now. They come in different colors and they come very small and shrunken at first. So you have to wet them before you use them. They expand and they become this size. So you just run it under water and then squeeze the excess water out of it. I typically use the tip part if I'm applying like concealer or trying to get like in a tight corner. And then you can use it with powder if I'm like gonna use it to bake. I usually use the butt if I'm going into spaces where I, have more room to apply. It's so easy to blend with this because it's super squishy. So if you just kind of press it onto the face and blend outward, it helps you like not apply as much makeup as well. And then to clean them, you spray the brush cleaner into the sponge and kind of squeeze out the excess makeup or color that's in there, and then go back in with an antibacterial soap to wash it. So when you finish washing, you want to make sure you squeeze all the excess water and that there's no color coming out, so that you could leave it somewhere like maybe in a mesh bag or out to dry. So it's super easy to use, super easy to clean, and I love beauty blenders.